If you're looking for a conditioner that's lightweight but still leaves your hair feeling soft and healthy, this one has been a really great find in our home. My husband has been using the BELLISSO Biotin conditioner for a while now, and it's become his go-to. He has finer hair, so he likes products that don't leave it feeling heavy or weighed down, and this conditioner does a really good job of moisturizing without that heavy feeling. And one thing that we both really appreciate is that it's sulfate and paraben free, so it's gentle enough for regular use. And this smells so good, you guys. I absolutely love that. It has such a nice, clean scent. It's not overpowering, but it still gives you that fresh feeling. And it also rinses out easily without leaving any residue behind. So even though this is lightweight, it still leaves his hair feeling soft and smooth and easy to manage. It also pairs really well with a matching BELLISSO shampoo if you're looking for a complete hair care routine. So we've been really happy with the quality, and after using it for a long time, it's a product that we continue to repurchase. So if you're looking for a gentle, moisturizing conditioner for fine or thinner looking hair, this one is definitely worth checking out.